Here's what's making news on Roadshow. It might not arrive in the US for a year or so, but here's your first look at the latest Ford Focus. Sporting a fresh new design that's more than a little Volvo inspired, the new Focus also packs Ford's Co-Pilot 360 system, which is a standard safety system that includes auto brake and blind spot monitoring. The body is stiffer and the steering has been sharpened up, so it should be more fun to drive as well. Expect to see it in the US starting sometime in 2019. Wireless charging might come to a next-gen Kia near you. The automaker announced that it completed a 3-year project to develop a 10kW wireless EV fast charger. Its 85% efficiency rate means a charge is possible even if the transmitter and receiver coils aren't perfectly aligned. While there's no plan to bring it to immediate production, Kia hasn't ruled out such a system in its future EVs. Bentley's factory headquarters in Crewe is about to get a major dose of green power. The company will soon build the UK's largest solar-powered carport. Comprising some 10,000 panels, the carport will provide up to 2.7 megawatts of power, which is about enough to cover a quarter of the HQ's energy requirements. This is in addition to another 20,000 panels installed on top of the factory itself. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.